demonstration of the Fogo Jug desktop. Everything can now be accessed directly from from the Horizon VMware client. As you just saw, there's a whole bunch of icons, including Greenway. You can run multiple of these at the same time. So, for example, we have our Greenway over here on a Mac and probably Windows 10 as well. You can move some of these windows into different screens, so you can access them as need be. We have Outlook is our, you're gonna have to log in again, is our email and calendar application. This is the new version of this. This is how it looks. The first time you load it up, you may want to change your view. So you'd want to go to View and then under Message Preview, actually under Folder pane and Reading pane, you'll want to move where you want to move the different, the way that you read your messages. I like to keep it over here on the right, so I have my menu over here, I have my messages over here, and then I have the text over here. Okay, you have all your different mailboxes over here. You have over here, you have your calendar. Click over there. It is a pretty fully functioning application. It may take a moment to load. And here is the doc schedule calendar. As you hover over, one of the nice new features is that it does tell you who scheduled it as well as who it is for. Okay, over here you can actually put in where you are and it'll give you the weather, nice little feature. You'll see that this is a lot faster and easier to use. And again, we can move this to another window pane. So we can switch between our different desktops. There's also the different Office applications. When we load up Word, for example, all the recent documents are over here. If you want to open up another document, just click over here. You can click on Browse. That will pull up the drive, and again, everything is now on the S drive. And everyone has a folder. You can load up pretty much any application or any item, and basically here it is. You can have to click Enable Editing for anything new. And that is pretty much a demonstration of some of the new functionality. Everything is located directly in the Horizon. Another thing, if you're more used to the traditional server screen, you can load up this, and it will load the traditional RDP screen. That is essentially all the different applications, if you feel more comfortable with this. And then in just a second, when it loads, you'll see the different items. So again, you have Word, Outlook, various other applications. Then on your desktop, and Greenway obviously, your devices and printers. And again, you may want to set your printer for the day that you're using. And then various shortcuts that you can leave on your desktop to use as you're working. So this is if you're more used to the traditional server, but there's no reason you need to use this. You can just use the different applications directly from Horizon. You can load up your Word, you can load up your Outlook and your Greenway Prime Suite at the same time. And that's a brief introduction to using Fogo on your desktop.